Hi everyone, welcome back to Passionate About Tech. I'm excited to bring you another practical computer science tutorial today. In this video, we're covering how to check your graphics card on Windows 11. Perfect if you need to know your GPU for gaming, video editing, or troubleshooting. We'll go step by step through 3 easy methods, and I'll share some tips to avoid common issues. Alright, let's dive in. First, let's use Task Manager. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager, then click the Performance tab on the left. Scroll down, you'll see your graphics card listed like AMD Radeon RX 580 series along with its usage and memory. Next, let's use Device Manager. Right-click the Start button, select Device Manager, and expand the Display Adapters section. Your graphics card will be listed there. Double-click it to see its properties like the driver version. For a third method, go to Settings. Click the Start button, select Settings. Then go to System and to Display. Click Advanced Display, then click Display Adapter Properties for Display 1. A window will pop up showing your GPU like Radeon RX along with details like memory and chip type. If you have multiple GPUs, like an integrated and a dedicated one, you might see both listed in these methods. One tip: if your graphics card isn't listed, it might be a driver issue. Try updating your drivers by right-clicking the GPU in Device Manager and selecting Update Driver. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Passionate About Tech for more awesome tech tutorials. Your support encourages me to keep creating content like this, so don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let me know in the comments which graphics card you have. I'd love to hear. See you in the next video.